Hi everyone. If you're tired of annoying ads slowing down websites, Opera already has a built-in ad blocker that you can enable in just a few clicks. You don't need to install any extensions, and blocking ads can help pages load faster while giving you a cleaner browsing experience. First, open Opera on your computer. Next, click the Opera menu in the top left corner. Then, open Settings. Next, click Privacy and Security from the left sidebar. Then, find the Ad Blocker option. Next, turn on the built-in ad blocker. Once it's enabled, Opera will automatically block many ads while you browse, making websites cleaner and often faster to load. Finally, if you visit a website that doesn't work properly with ad blocking, you can quickly turn the feature off for that site whenever you need to. That's it. A simple Opera feature that helps make your browsing faster, cleaner, and more enjoyable without installing anything extra.